So the most important thing to keeping a pond clean naturally is bacteria. Bacteria is essential to breaking down harmful chemicals in the water. This process is called the nitrogen cycle. Allowing the bacteria to do their job is biological filtration, and it's the most important type of filtration for any pond. Bacteria need surfaces to grow on. Filters filled with ceramic noodles, coarse filter pads, bioballs, etc. all provide ample surface area for the bacteria. Rocks and gravel also provide an abundance of surface area compared to bare pond liner. I personally like to create bog or wetland filters. These incorporate plants along with plenty of surface area to more fully complete the nitrogen cycle. Adding oxygen to the pond will supercharge the bacteria, making them more efficient. Adding a stream or waterfall is a great way to achieve this. Alternatively, adding a pump and air stones is a very economical way of adding oxygen to the pond. Positioning the pond pump so that it can skim the surface of the water will help remove floating debris before it sinks. Over time, debris and fish waste will build up on the bottom of the pond. This needs to be removed every 1 to 2 years. The more natural you can make the pond, the less maintenance it will be. I like the aquascape way of building ponds. It's very natural. These ecosystem ponds use rocks and gravel, a biological filter that feeds waterfalls or streams, a skimmer that houses the pump and is placed on the opposite side to pull off the surface debris. Plants and fish round out the complete ecosystem.